Hello and good morning, my dear students. Today we will take a tour to India. I will give you many different information about India. You will know today different nicknames of different cities of our India, then different festivals of India, different famous personality of India, right? And very beautiful destination, beautiful hill stations of India. So you watch all videos properly and get all information, okay? So let's start our today's GK session. Okay students, open your GK textbook, page number 15. See here, lesson number 13, special days. Here you can see that many children are talking with each other. Let's see. Write in the boxes which festival or day the children are talking about. Here we have to find out that about which festival they are talking. Okay, you also know the all festival. So you tell me which festival is this. Let's see first. See, this girl is telling, I make rangoli designs and decorate my home with diyas and candles. So which festival is this? When we decorate our house with diyas and candles? Yes, correct. Diwali. So here write down the spelling of Diwali. What is the spelling of Diwali? Diwali. Diwali. Okay, write with good handwriting. Okay, second one. I go to church and enjoy the gifts Santa Claus brings for me. Okay, when Santa Claus brings gift? On which day? Christmas. Yes, so write down here Christmas. What is the spelling of Christmas? Christmas. Christmas. Good. Third. I sprinkle colors with pichkari and eat gujiyas. Okay, in which festival we sprinkle colors on others with pichkari and we eat gujiyas? Holi. So write down here Holi. Very good. Fourth, I go to the Gurudwara, eat langar and listen to ardas. Now, in which festival we go to Gurudwara? Gurupurab. Okay, so write down here Gurupurab. 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 Okay, fifth. I eat sevaya and go to pray at the Idgah. Okay, when we eat sevaya and when we go to Idgah for prayer? Yes, on Eid, right? So write down here Eid, E-I-D, Eid. Okay, next. I go to the pandals and pray to goddess Durga. Okay, when we pray to goddess Durga? On Durga Puja. So write down here Durga Puja. D-U-R-G-A, Durga, and then Puja, P-U-J-A. See, these all are the names of festival. So they all are proper nouns. So always do first letter capital. Okay. It is the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. Okay. What we call that day? Children's Day. So write down here Children's Day. CHILDREN Children's Day. D-A-Y. Okay. Eighth, last. We dress up as teachers and perform on this day. Which day? All students dress up as Teachers' Day and perform? Yes, Teachers' Day. Okay, Teachers, Teachers Day. Okay, so when we celebrate Teachers Day on 5th September, right? Why? Because 5th September is the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. That's why he was a great teacher, very well known personality. So on that day we celebrate that day as Teachers Day. Okay student, so you all know now all these festival and what we do during this festival. Students, open your GK textbook, page number 16. Lesson number 14, Glimpses of the Hills. Now see, in summer we feel hot, right? So in summer people spend time in cool places like hill station, right? In summer vacation mostly where we prefer to go? Hill stations. So see, here different pictures of different hill stations are given, right? So what we have to do, we have to find out that this different hill station comes in which state, they are in which state, right? So here for clues you have given different states name, okay, and pictures and name of different hill stations. So we have to find out that these hill stations are in which state. So let's see one by one. We will see the picture, we will see the place, we will read the name of the place, and then we will find out that in which state. Okay, so see the first picture. This is the picture of Dalhousie. Okay, so Dalhousie is in which state? Himachal Pradesh. So where is Himachal Pradesh? See here A. So in first Dalhousie we will write A Himachal Pradesh. Okay, then see second Darjeeling. See, this is the picture of Darjeeling. Darjeeling is in which state? Darjeeling is in West Bengal. So write down here, where is West Bengal? In D. So with second write down D. Darjeeling is in West Bengal. Okay. Then third Gulmarg. See, very beautiful place, Gulmarg. Okay. In which state Gulmarg is? Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. So C. You can cut also. The state which you have already written, cut that state. So it will be easy for you to find out the other state. Then fourth, Mahabaleshwar. See here, this is the place Mahabaleshwar. Okay, Mahabaleshwar is in which state? Maharashtra. Okay, so find out where is Maharashtra. Here, J. So with fourth, write down J. Okay, then Kodagu. Kodagu is in which state? Karnataka. So where is Karnataka? K. Okay, so with 5 write down here K, Karnataka. Then sixth, Nainital. See, very beautiful place, Nainital. So Nainital is in which state? Uttarakhand. So find out where is Uttarakhand? Here in B. So write down here B. Nainital is in state Uttarakhand. Okay, then 7, Yerkod. How to pronounce this place? Yerkod. Yerkod is in which state? Tamil Nadu. Okay, so where is Tamil Nadu? Yes, I. So write down here I, Tamil Nadu. Okay, then Mount Abu. Mount Abu is in which state? Rajasthan. So find out where is Rajasthan? Here in E. So with 8 write down E. Okay, then Cherrapunji. Cherrapunji is in Meghalaya. So where is Meghalaya? F. So with 9, write down F, Meghalaya. And then 10th, Panchmadi. Panchmadi is in which state? Madhya Pradesh. So where is Madhya Pradesh? Here, H. So with Panchmadi, write down H. And last, Gangtok. Gangtok is also a very beautiful place. See, you can see here. So Gangtok is in which state? Sikkim. So Sikkim. Where is Sikkim? Last, here, G. So here write down with Gangtok, G. So see this beautiful place. You can also get different information about this place through Google. Okay. So try to find out different information in Google, and then after this situation, corona situation, you can also visit these beautiful places of India, right? This is beautiful. These all are beautiful hill stations. Okay, open your textbook, lesson number 15, page number 18. Famous at home and abroad. See, here you have given some well-known personality, right? Well-known persons of India, and they are famous here in India as well as in abroad. Means different countries of the world. They are also famous there. So, you have to find out their names, right? Here you have given clues, their names are given, but which person's names, whose, that you have to find out. See from this picture, who is he? World famous music composer. Who is he? A.R. Rahman. Okay, many of you have seen him, right, in television. So he is A.R. Rahman. So let's write his name. A capital, R also capital, and then write down Rahman. R A H M A N. A.R. Rahman. So cut here, A.R. Rahman. Then second one, children's rights activist and winner of Nobel Peace Prize. Right? Who is he? He is the children's rights activist. बच्चों को उनका हक दिलाने वाले. And winner of Nobel Peace Prize. जिसको Nobel Peace Prize मिला है. Right? So who is he? He is Kailash Satyarthi. So write down here Kailash Satyarthi. Good. Now third, award-winning Indian chef. Right? Who is he? Award-winning Indian chef? Vikas Khanna. Right? See here you have given name. We have already written A.R. Rahman and Kailash Satyarthi, so we will cut it. And this is Vikas Khanna. So let's write here Vikas Khanna. V capital. Vikas Khanna. K capital. Vikas Khanna. Okay, then fourth one, eminent writer. He is a famous writer, right? His name is Amitav Ghosh. Then this is renowned economist. His name is Amartya Sen. Okay, next. Who is he? You all know. Famous film actor Amitabh Bachchan. Write down here his spelling. Amitabh Bachchan. Name you write up and then surname you write down. Amitabh Bachchan. Okay, cut from here. Amartya Sen also we have written. Amitabh Bachchan also we have written, and Amitav Ghosh also we have written. Okay, next. Chief Executive Office of Google. Right? Who is Chief Executive? You also know. Sundar Pichai. Sundar Pichai. Okay, and last, a well-known filmmaker. Who is she? Meera Nair. Meera Nair. Okay, so these are very well-known famous personality. Okay, students, open your GK textbook, lesson number 16, page number 19. Okay, see here. India is a land of different cultures. People from different places have different style of dressing. Right? In our India, different types of people lives. Right? Different type of culture we have. So, all people from different places have their different style of dressing. They have different style, right? In their dressings also. Looking at the pictures below, can you identify which state each of these couple belong to? See here, different picture of different couples are given. Right? So, here what we have to do? Here we have to identify that which state each of these couple belong to. कौन से state से है ये सारे? Okay? So, let's see one by one. See, first, this is the couple from which state? See, for your clue, here the name of the states are given. So, you have to find out that from which state they belong. Okay, first couple, whether it is from Kerala, West Bengal, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Punjab or Jammu Kashmir. Okay, so first this is from, this couple is belong to Punjab. So, we will write here Punjab. Punjab. This couple is from Punjab. Okay, then next this one. This couple is from West Bengal. वेस्ट बंगाल में ड्रेसिंग इस तरह की होती है. वेस्ट बंगाल. Then third, see here, this is the dressing of Rajasthan. Okay, so write down here Rajasthan. Okay, then this 4 number, this is from Kerala. This is the dressing of Kerala. See, men and women. See here in Punjab also, see the difference between woman's dress and man's dress. See here, West Bengal girl and Punjab's woman. See. Then here Rajasthan woman and West Bengal. All have their different dresses. Right? Okay. Then fifth number. Fifth number is Maharashtra. Okay. Marathi. Okay. Then this is from Jammu and Kashmir. So, see. Okay, so remember these different styles of dresses and the people. Okay students, open lesson number 17, cities and their nicknames, on page number 20. See, here some nicknames of some different cities are given. Here we have to find out in which state these cities are. So let's write one by one. First is City of Temples. Which city is known as City of Temple? Bhubaneswar. Okay, where is Bhubaneswar? In which state? Odisha. Okay, so write here one number. Bhubaneswar is here in Odisha state. Okay, then second. Write down here also Bhubaneswar. Okay, Bhubaneswar. Okay, then second, City of Joy. Which city is known as City of Joy? Kolkata. Kolkata is in which state? Bengal, West Bengal. Okay, so here give second name Kolkata. Here we will write later, I will send you the image. Right now just listen and understand that it is which city's nickname and that city is in which state. Okay, third, Queen of Hill Station. Which is known as Queen of Hill Station? Mussoorie. Okay, and Mussoorie is there in Uttarakhand. So see, where is Uttarakhand? Here. So write down here 3 number. Right, Uttarakhand Mussoorie is here. Okay, fourth, Gateway of India. Where is Gateway of India? In Mumbai, and Mumbai is in Maharashtra, right? So below Rajasthan this is Maharashtra. So write down here 4. Gateway of India is here. Then fifth, Pink City. Which city is known as Pink City? Jaipur. Okay, and Jaipur is in Rajasthan, and Rajasthan is here above Gujarat. So write down here 5th number, Pink City. Okay, then 6th, Silicon Valley of India. 6th, Silicon Valley of India. Where is Silicon Valley of India? In Bangalore. Okay, and Bangalore is in Rajasthan. Silicon Valley of India is the nickname of Bangalore, as well as Pink City is the nickname of Jaipur. Okay, so Jaipur is in Rajasthan and Silicon Valley of India is the nickname of Bangalore. So Bangalore is in Karnataka. So Karnataka is 6th state. 6 number where we will write Karnataka is here. So write down here 6. Then 7, City of Nawabs. It is the nickname of Lucknow. Right, Lucknow is in Uttar Pradesh. So where is Uttar Pradesh? Here. So write down 7 here. Okay. Then Boston of India. Which city known as Boston of India? Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is in Gujarat. So write down 8 number here. Boston city is the nickname of Ahmedabad. Steel City of India. Which city is known as Steel City? Jamshedpur. Okay, and Jamshedpur is in Jharkhand. So write down 9 number here. Jharkhand is here. Here Jamshedpur, Steel City of India. And 10th, Golden City. Which city is known as Golden City? Amritsar, right? Golden Temple is there in Amritsar, and Amritsar is in Punjab. So write down here 10. Punjab, Amritsar is here. Okay, so here I have written all numbers. That city's name I will write here and I will send you the image.